Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 347th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Before we begin, I want to thank all of you. I know I'm late, but I want to thank you. We have reached 14,000 subscribers. Thank you, my friends, for all the love and support and tuning in to all my recipes. I am so grateful. Now we're on to 15,000. Well, today I'm going to share with all of you my mama's stuffed bell peppers recipe. I love this since I was a little girl and still do today. Tender, juicy meat patties stuffed in bell peppers and smothered in the flavorful tomato sauce. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. A great meal to serve any weeknight and an amazing comfort food. Everybody's going to fall in love with this dish. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist for more recipes and my previous video, Brigadeiro's Brazilian chocolate cake. I'll also post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your ground beef, your bell peppers, and your tomato sauce sugar because we're about to bake some stuffed bell pepper magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, I have my green bell peppers and we're going to core them and cut them in half. Alright my friends, so now I'm going to parboil them for about 5 minutes until they get soft. And then I'm going to let them cool. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 2 pounds of ground chuck, a half a cup of cooked white rice, 2 light and bean eggs, and my seasonings. I'm using seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Or you use any seasoning of your choice. And using clean hands, we're going to mix everything until it's well incorporated. It's a cook's best tool. Alright my friends, the bell pepper is nice and cool. Now we're ready to stuff them. We're going to take the meat and we're going to roll it. And just set them on there. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my bell peppers and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in 1 can of tomato sauce on top. And now we're going to add in another can and just pour them on the side. Like so. And now we're going to add in the seasonings that we use in the meat. Just going to put them on the side. Flavor the tomato sauce. And then we're going to add in a little white sugar to cut the acidity of the tomato sauce. And now we're going to add in a can of water. Alright my friends, now we're ready to put our stuffed bell peppers in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to let them bake for 1 hour. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Stuffed bell peppers. Don't they look good? It smells awesome in this kitchen. Alright, so now I'm going to let them cool for a few minutes and then I'll fix them up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I'm serving it with some green beans and some rice and gravy. Mmm. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, the meat is perfectly cooked. Mm-mm. Mmm. The meat is tender and the tomato sauce is amazing. The bell pepper just melts in your mouth. Just like how my mama did it. This is incredible. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum oh. Stuffed bell pepperlicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.